Good morning, grade 4, and a warm welcome to the math class. Well, children, you will wonder today why I have this scale and this measure tape. Because, children, today we are going to learn of length, mass, and capacity. This is your new chapter today, that is length, mass, and capacity. Now, children, this you have done it last year, measurement, right? So, you are familiar with the terms. I'll just revise. Today, children will focus on length. Let's focus on length. Okay. Mass and capacity, we'll take it later. Let's focus on length. I have made some notes, children, which you can copy it in your notebooks later. So, first we take meter. Okay. Now, children, when you go to a shop, cloth shop, you see the shopkeeper will have a scale. Okay. All the shops, they have a standard scale. Or if you go to a tailor, you will see he'll have this measure tape. And in school, we use this scale or we use a short scale. So now let's see what's this about. The meter is a standard unit which is used for measuring length. If we divide a meter into 100 equal parts, each part is called a centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Children, this is a long scale, long measuring unit. If you see this, children, if you have at home, you could see, okay, it will go right up to, see here, 79, 80, 90, and then here, can you see here, 100. You could use it at home and see, children. If your mom has it, you can ask your mama for it. Okay. Now, so what's it, children? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Now let's see what's millimeter. The millimeter is the smallest unit of length. If we divide 1 cm into 10 equal parts, each part is called a millimeter. That is 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Children, see, I have drawn over here. Okay, can you see this? This is 1 cm, 2 cm. If you see your scale, children, closely, the short or the long one, whichever one you have, the long scale or the short scale, you could see it. See, the marking is always here. Okay, so 0 to, now we are taking here 2 centimeter. Now if you see this in between these lines, okay, this is your millimeter. This is your millimeter. What I have done in red, children, over here. Okay, I'll put you a better pic so that is easily visible and you can draw this in your notebook. Right? You could count these inside. These small bars are there, no? In between you could count this. And we use millimeter to measure very small lengths. We use millimeter to measure very small length. Children, just see this. I have a pen in my hand, okay? Or if I would have a pencil, please search. Yes, I have a pencil here. Okay. So this pencil point, children, the pencil point. Okay. How would you measure it in? It would be in millimeter. Measure and see, children. And if you take even this coin, if you take a coin, you measure this. Okay, the thickness. See, let's see. See? Measure it and see. Okay. So now let's go to convert. Children, what we will do is first we will take one at a time. So let's convert, children, today meters to centimeters. First we will start with meters to centimeters. I have done something here. Yes. See here. So today we'll focus on meter to centimeter first. Right? Okay. So let's take a sum. I've already done for you some. Yes, meters to centimeters. What, children? What what's written here? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. We just now seen it on the measure tape, right? So let's convert. Now we are converting. Okay, children, 7 meters. 7 meters into centimeters. Okay. So what's my formula? 1 m is equal to 100 cm. What is that m? Meter. So what I need to do? I need to multiply. 7 meter is equal to, what will it be, children? 7 meters equal to 7 into 100 cm. Children, see here the unit changes, meter, and then here it is centimeter. Okay. So your answer is what? 700 cm. So you could write answer is equal to 7 meters is equal to 700 cm. This was your last year sum, children, the third standard. I took it from there. Now let's take this year. As I said, now grade 4, it's one step ahead. Okay. So let's take a double digit number. Let's take 31. This is from this year's textbook. I've taken it from there only. Is equal to dash cm. Yes. What's the unit measure, children? 1 meter is equal to 100 cm. So 1 meter is equal to 100 cm. Right? Now 31, we are converting 31 meters. So what we will do? 31 meters, you need to multiply. 31 meters into 100. Now what will be the unit here, children? Here it was meters. So now here it is centimeters. Children, be very careful with your units. So your answer would be 31. Children, now I think you can do mental multiplication. Okay, most of you are quick. So when you multiply by 2 zeros, you just have to add 2 zeros. So your answer would be what? Multiply the length value. What is the length value, children? 100. Remember that. So 31 meters is equal to 3100 centimeter. Right? Clear? Okay. Now let's move to the next one. The next one we will take. What will we take the next one? Let's take it as centimeter to millimeters. Yes, I have made a card here. Centimeter to millimeters. So children, we move to the second measurement, that is centimeters to millimeters. So it's 1 centimeter is equal to 10 mm. Now let's take a sum. First let's take one from grade 3. Yes, let's take 6 centimeter is equal to dash mm. Now children, it is 10. So what will we do? We will multiply the length value by 10. Okay. So 6 cm is equal to 10 into 6. Okay, this 6. And now since it's here, our unit will be mm. Be careful with the unit, children. Now it is mm. Okay. So that's 60 mm. Millimeters. Mm is millimeters. Let's move to our next sum. Now let's take one from grade 4. Let's take 18 centimeter. 18 centimeter is equal to dash millimeters. Yes. So 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So 18 cm. Yes, now you tell me children, you could pause the video. 18 cm is equal to, yes, 18 into 10. And what should my unit be here? mm. Right? Now children, as I said, you could do this orally. If you are still not confident, you could multiply. Always keep your working column here and you could multiply. You could multiply directly by 10 because all of you are familiar with the 10 times table. So this will be 18 into, it's 10, only 10. Children, see, look there, it's only 10. So your answer is 180 mm. Right? Now let's move to the next one. The next one, what's the next length, children? Yes, we have finished with meter to centimeter, then we finished centimeter to millimeter. Now we'll do meter to millimeters. Look here, we are doing meter to millimeters. Now what's the unit? What's the measure? 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeters. So let's start with a grade 3 sum. Now children, see, 1000, there are 3 zeros. Okay. So let's take 8 meters to dash millimeters. Yes. So what should I do? 8 meters is equal to 8 into children, what into? 1000. Okay. So that's your millimeter. Now multiply, children. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3. Don't make a mistake with the zeros. 8000 millimeters. So what would your answer be? Your answer is 8 meters is equal to 8000 millimeters. Got it? Okay. Now let's take a double digit one. Simple. Let's take 47. 47 meters is equal to dash millimeters. Come on. Yes, most of you now are very quick. 47 meters is equal to 47 into what, children? 100. No, 1000 into 1000. And see your unit, children? mm. Okay. Be careful with this. Don't put m, but here you are going to put double m. Why? Because it is meter to millimeters. Right? So now you multiply, you will get 47. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Children, remember the properties, what we did, properties of multiplication. So then you just add these 3 zeros. So don't forget the unit. And then your answer will be what? 47 meters is equal to 47,000 millimeters. Right? Simple? Yes, last year also it was simple. I don't think this is a difficult topic. You could do it. Only you need to be careful with your meters, with your units. You need to be careful. Okay, when you're converting, that's one thing where you need to take care. And the zeros, the number of zeros which you have to put. Those of you who are doing it mentally and orally. So children, today we did length. We focused only on length. Okay, today we focused only on length. First, what we did is meter to centimeter. Remember the unit, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. After that, we did the second one, that is meter to millimeters. 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeters. I think this we did last, doesn't matter. And then we did centimeters to millimeters. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. Only be careful of your unit and the zeros, that you need to take care. Now children, for your homework, what you're going to do is, what I have done here children is, I have marked them. Wait, just let me erase this first. Children, see what I have done now. I have marked them in blue, red and green, so that you don't get confused. So what you do is, first you start with the meter to centimeter, all in which is in blue. Okay. After that, you start your circle which is circled in red. That is your centimeter to millimeter. Okay. And then the last one you're going to do is, which is circled in green. Can you see the green one? Which are in green. That will be your meter to millimeters. So that you are not confused children. The idea is you're not confused. Once you are a master, then you can do the mixed sums. Because here in the workbook, we have a mixed bag. So that's the reason why we focus one at a time. And then you're going to write this. You will write this. I will post it. Just before you start, you will need to write this. These are a few workings which I have done, which I'll put the same sums children what I did over here. And the multiplication I have done here, for those of you, I think most of you can do it. Not most, everyone can do it. Okay, multiplying the length value by 100. This I have taken 31 directly, and this I have split the unit and the tens place. First 1 and then 3. Then it's this. So your homework will be, you have 3 pages for homework. You could give it to me by Tuesday. So well children, enjoy your learning and see you tomorrow for the class, Zoom class.